This lesson is on quickly creating a drop-down list in Excel. Here we have our sample data set of different orders, and we also have different customer ratings. We want to be able to bring these customer ratings easily into our data and rank each one of these based on how we viewed them. So to bring in our drop-down list, we're going to create a new column. We're going to call this customer ratings. And we want to then produce a drop-down list in each one of these cells, which will show us these different star ratings, 1 to 4, where we can easily select each one for each one of these orders. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to the top bar here, click on Data, Data Validation, and then Data Validation again. Now, this window is giving us the ability to create our drop-down list. We're going to click on Allow. We're going to go to the list. And then we're going to define our source of that list, the cells we want Excel to look at for our drop-down list. We're going to highlight cells M5 to M9. We see them highlighted now. These are all our different customer ratings, and that's what we want on our list. We're going to hit OK. Now we can see Excel's created this little down arrow in our cell here. If we hit that, we can now see all that information from those cells that we selected for our drop-down list. But now we want this copied down throughout each one of our rows here. So we're just going to click and drag. Now we can click in any one of these cells and give a rating easily to each one of our rows. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content.